Have you ever done so much for your child or your spouse, cooking, cleaning, buying things, and still felt like they didn't notice? Or maybe your child said, "Amma, you don't love me anymore," even after a full day spent running behind them. If you have felt that way, I want you to know there is nothing wrong with your love, but maybe the way you are showing love is not the way they are receiving it. In today's video, I'm going to share something that I completely changed how I connect with my child and even with my partner. It's called 5 love languages. And once you understand this, you will exactly know how to make your child feel loved in a way their heart truly understands. So in the section 1, let's talk about what are love languages. So this concept was shared by an author called Gary Chapman. He says every human understands love in one main way. We all have a love languages. Now just like we speak different languages, Hindi, Kannada, Tamil, Telugu, love also has its own language. If I speak in Kannada and you only understand Tamil, my message won't reach you. Love works the same way. So if we don't know our child's love language, we may keep loving them, but they may feel still empty. So in the section 2, let's talk about the 5 love languages. So let me explain the 5 love languages with simple real life parenting examples. So the first one is words of affirmation. Some children feel most loved when you praise them with words. Say things like, "I'm proud of you, you did a great job picking up your toys, I love how kind you are." These kids bloom when they hear good words. But if we scold or stay silent, they feel unloved even if we care so deeply. Second one, acts of service. This is for children who feel loved when we do things for them, making their favorite dosas without asking, helping them wear shoes patiently, or sitting and solving their puzzles with full focus. But if we are always rushing and saying, "Later, I'm busy," and they may feel ignored, and even if you are very much present. Third one, gifts. Now this doesn't mean buying big things. For some kids, even a small surprise sticker, a handwritten note, or a special gifts can make them feel loved. They don't see the price, they see the thought behind it. "Amma remembered me. She picked this for me." That's what they feel. Fourth one, quality time. These kids just want your undivided time. Not while scrolling your phone, not while talking to someone else, just you and them together. Playing carom, coloring, walking in the park, even for 15-20 minutes of just us time fills their heart. Fifth one, physical touch. Some children need lots of cuddles, hugs, kisses, back rubs, holding your hand, sitting in your lap, climbing on your back. All this their way of saying, "I love you." If you are not a very touchy person, this can feel hard, but it's powerful. For these kids, a hug is stronger than hundreds of words. So in the section 3, let's talk about how to find your child's love language. So now question is, how do I know my child's love language? Simple ways to find it out. Observe how they show love to you. Do they say, "I love you" a lot? Maybe their language is words. Do they always want to help? Maybe it's acts of service. Do they bring you tiny things or give drawings? Could it be gifts? Do they ask, "Will you play with me?" That's quality time. And they're always climbing onto your lap? That's touch. Try all these 5 and see what lights them up. Over a week, try each language once, see where their eyes shine. So in the section 4, let's talk about this works for spouses too. And let me tell you one more thing, this doesn't only work for children. Your husband or wife also has a love language. Maybe you're cooking all the day, it's an act of service, but they're just wanting a loving word. Or you're buying gifts, or they want time. When we speak the right love language, the bond grows, fights reduces, understanding becomes deeper. Our children don't need a perfect parent, they just need someone who sees them, hears them, and loves them in the way they understand. Once you discover your child's love language, it becomes easier to fill their emotional cup, and when their emotional cup is full, behavior improves, tantrums reduces, and they feel secure. So tell me in the comments, which love language do you think your child or spouse has? I would love to know it. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and share it with every parent you know. Because love is not just about giving, it's about giving right one. Happy parenting!